Assalamualaikum. I hope you are well, safe and sound. We are going to pick a strawberry. We are going to take you guys with us to pick strawberry. And let's go. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? It's beautiful. And I'm going to go with my uncle and my dad.
Right, we are at the strawberry farm as Arman have actually introduced himself. So now we are going to ask. I normally come here for strawberries and stuff like that. So let me just ask him a couple of questions. So how long you been here, Mamis?
Well, the farms, this is the 49th year.
49th year.
But I haven't been there that long.
You haven't been. Oh, you don't look that old anyway. You only look in 20s. Anyways, you guys been busy today?
No, well, the rain keeps scaring people away.
Oh well.
Just the odd cart.
Oh God, eh? Never mind. Thank you so much. We're just gonna go towards the strawberries and let's just pick strawberries and let's show you guys. Enjoy our little dog there as well. So beautiful out there. Weather is very windy right now, as you guys can hear the wind. Oh, it's nice. After warm weather, we needed something like that. Arman, Mr. Arman, are you excited, mate?
Yes.
Yes. So what are you gonna do now?
Strawberry.
Pick strawberries. That's it. Is that what you want? Just the strawberries. So are you going to give strawberries to your viewers as well? Yeah. Look at that. So beautiful.
That's the old strawberries.
The old strawberries there. People are picking strawberries right now. As there you go. You can see someone there. Let's go. Is there any more strawberries there? Ooh. Let me have a look. Wow.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yes.
Enjoy picking them?
Yes.
Hey? How enjoying your weather?
Yes, lovely.
Lovely, isn't it?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Here we are. Strawberry picking.
Hey, Jamie,
Let me just show you guys. Strawberry. Look at that, hey? So beautiful. One, Arman. Yeah, nice.
I'm going to try one.
Is it nice? Yeah, you like it? Nice, isn't it? Hey, maze. Go on, pick this. Oh, show me. Beautiful. Biggest strawberry I ever seen. Look at that.
Biggest.
At least it'd be about 100 gram. Look at that. Are you gonna enjoy this? Eh? What are you gonna do? Are you going to make a strawberry shake or just gonna eat a strawberry like that? Eh?
Just gonna eat the strawberry like that.
You're just gonna eat a strawberry like that? Loving it. Did that smell? Wow. Nice. Do you guys want to eat? There you go. Have a little bite. Nice? Very sweet. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Yes? You happy? What are you having then? Strawberries. Ooh. This is also a strawberry field as well. Obviously part of a farm. And they're not ready yet, of course. People are on the other side just watching me what I'm doing. Look at that, it looks so nice. The weather is actually beautiful, very windy but really nice. At least it's not boiling hot. Yeah, they can you Allah ki kudrat.
I think it's a book house.
Nah, it's birdhouse I think.
But
It's a massive tree but
does it have a hole?
halfway is empty. And then there. I've never seen anything like that. Thai breeze. I don't know what it is. It looks like this. Arman, have you got one in your hand? Show me. There. Oh, I just tried it. I think it crossed strawberry. Horrible. Taste really sour. We got one ripe one and I'm going to taste it. I think it should be sweet. Not sour like the other one. Yeah, it was like that, but still sour. It's not really sweet. I think these are courgettes, if I'm not wrong. If anyone knows better than me, then obviously
I think this is.
comment below.
I think this
Tell me what it is. I think it's courgette anyway. A piece. Enjoying yourself, mate?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, actually, it's not what I thought it is. It's butter beans. There you go, one on the floor. These are butter beans. Yeah, some broad beans there. Let me just show you guys. There, as you can see. They've got peas as well.
There's so much.
Fresh peas.
Some of them.
Now I'm going to break one and eat it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you. To share it with your family and friends. Support.
This is a little pond, I think, for ducks. But I can't see any ducks here. It's quite well, a decent size. It's not small. Yeah, that's fine, mate. It's
Okay.
more than enough. Thank you very much.
And you want to go straight down, right to the very bottom.
Okay.
Keep walking straight down, you'll see the rows, and keep furthest rows are the best, basically.
What's this idea then?
There are raspberries there as well,
Okay.
but I think they're better at the bottom of the hill here.
Go on. You like it? You don't? Okay, come down. toilet facility. Sweet corn, मकई की फसल, all the way through till wherever you can see.
Cranberries here.
Cranberries.
Yeah, cranberries are.
Oh, cranberries there. Oh, look at that. What's that you having, mate?
Cranberry.
Cranberry. Try one. Look at that. There's no zoom in it. Well, it has, but it's quite blurry.
The seed is here.
Look at this. Nice. You want it? Have it. Nice. Beautiful.
Let's try it. I had to have like
Rhubarbs. Look at that. Nice and fresh. Finally, we got raspberries. As you can see in my hand, Arman got me one. My hands are red with the strawberries. Right, let's just end this vlog here. अपना और अपनों का ख्याल दुआ को रखता है, दूसरों का ख्याल रखें। इसी का नाम है ज़िंदगी। मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ इंशाल्लाह। आज की सर फार्म में, और ये मेरा भतीजा आया हुआ था दूर से, तो मुझे कहने लगा कि I want to go to strawberry picking farm, so I brought him. Obviously my brother's here as well, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Do remember me in your prayer.